The FIAT 500X key fob, used in models from 2014-2021 and some later regional versions, typically uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. If your key fob isn't working reliably, experiencing reduced range, or failing to unlock the car, a battery replacement is likely needed. This is a user-serviceable task, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. Replacing the battery is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools beyond a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. It's a quick DIY fix. First, locate the release button or seam on your key fob. This is usually found on the side or back of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the case, being careful not to force it and crack the plastic. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct orientation matches the polarity. Snap the case back together securely to ensure it's properly sealed. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the car from a distance of 10 to 20 feet. If it still doesn't work, there may be another issue and you should consult a professional, but 90% of basic replacements are successful.